Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at, tutorial rather, we're going to be looking at completing the square. But before we get into the whole process of completing the square, just let me introduce to you rather what is a square. Now, a square by definition is the product of a rational number multiplying itself. Okay, it's a product of a rational number being multiplied by itself. So since we have a clear definition of what a square is, we should also know what's a rational number. And a rational number is any number that can be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. So let's look at example number 1. So take the number 1, okay? And if I'm speaking about a product, I must multiply by the same number, okay, because I'm dealing with a square. Now 1 times 1 is 1, so we say that 1 is a perfect square, okay? And this can be represented on a diagram. So if I'm saying, let's say I draw a square, okay, so in this case, let's say here, if here is 1 unit, okay, there should also be 1 unit, because a square is a four-sided figure having all lengths being equal and also all angles inside, interior angles, are equal. So now we would have 1 times 1. Another example quickly, we could have 2 times 2, okay? So this is example number 2. We could have 2 times 2, so it's the same number multiplying itself. So I would have 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So what this is saying, and this also can be represented on a diagram. So I can draw this square now. So here I would have one box, and I'm dealing with 2 units, so that's 1, that's 2. And please bear with my drawing, they are not so pretty. So let's assume that all of these little boxes are of the same sizes, okay? So let me try and get this a little bit better. So yes, and then this one here. So if you notice carefully now guys, this entire diagram is a square, but as it relates to the units, this one side, this side would be 2 units, and the other side would also be 2 units. So and if you look carefully, 1, 2, and across 1, 2. Okay, so that's what we mean by square. Okay, and we said it's a rational number, so also it could be a fraction. So let's look at this rational number, 3/5 all squared. All squared. What this is saying basically is 3 times 3 all over 5 times 5, and this would give us 3 3s 9, okay, and 5 5s 25. So that's what we mean when we speak about a square. Square means that it is a rational number multiplying itself 2 times. Okay, thanks and bye.